Hello, thank you for watching my channel. So, as from the title, you know that this video is about best TWS under 1000. So basically ये वीडियो है ट्रूली वायरलेस ईयरफोन अंडर 1000. मैंने अमेजोन पे ये ऑर्डर किया है. मुझे ये डिलीवरी टाइम बता रहा है 16 दिसंबर. अप till 16 December I will receive this product, but it is not yet shipped from the Amazon. So let's see, will does it reach on 16 or not, and if I receive it on 16 or before or after it, I will drop a video about it. So 16 is the day on which I will drop a video about it, the earphone which I am suggesting you. I will suggest you only one TWS under the budget, in this budget, and in the upcoming, in the other video I tell you about best TWS under 5000, best TWS and under 2000. So basically it comes with the 13 true bass, true deep bass drivers. You are getting like 13 drivers, and that after that you are getting 24-hour playback time, Dolphin design, Bluetooth 5.0, quick pairing, and mic. The company I am suggesting you, it is a Truke, which is a German brand. In the Amazon, it is showing that it is manufactured in India, but it is showing the origin of the country is China. I don't know why it is showing that. If it is a German brand and it is manufacturing in India, then why it is the connection of China in that? When I receive my unit, I will let you know that why there is this, and it comes with Type C connector, 5000 mAh case battery, and it comes from Truke, a German brand. In the unboxing video, I will tell you about this, that it is a German brand. So name of it is Truke Fit Pro True Wireless TWS Deep Bass 13 drivers it comes with. So this is a video which I will like to suggest you. It does not comes with the rubber tips. It does not comes with the rubber tips, but it comes with the design which will fit to the more over the earphones air, so that it can fit to the air easily. Regarding to this earphone, I will let you know when I receive the unit, and I will tell you that does it really value for money or not. But till now, it is the worth product that you can buy under 1000 rupees. Thank you for watching.